Hello students, in the previous video I give an introduction on trigonometry. I explained some problems, some example problems. I explained some formulas with example problem. In this video I am revising the previous videos and I am going to introduce trigonometric values table by using the basic angles of trigonometry. Once revise the previous videos, formulas. First one, sin theta equal to opposite by hypotenuse and cosecant theta equal to hypotenuse by opposite, cos theta equal to adjacent by hypotenuse, secant theta equal to hypotenuse by adjacent, tan theta equal to opposite by adjacent and cot theta equal to adjacent by opposite. In the second video, I explained the relationship between trigonometric ratios. Sin theta equal to 1 by cosecant theta, both are reciprocal with each other, and as well as cosecant theta equal to 1 by sin theta. And next, cos theta equal to 1 by secant theta and secant theta equal to 1 by cos theta, both are reciprocal with each other. And tan theta formula in terms of sin and cos is sin theta by cos theta, and that also equal to 1 by cot theta. Tan theta can be written as in terms of cot 1 by cot theta. Cot theta in terms of cos and sin, that is cos by sin theta, and in terms of tan 1 by tan theta. These are the formulas that we discussed in the previous video. In this video I am going to explain about the trigonometric table. Basic angles in trigonometry are 0 degrees, 30, 45, 60 and 90 degrees. We are having the trigonometric ratios, that is sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosecant theta, secant theta and cot theta. Here, by using the basic angles in the sense sin 0, we need to remember the basic values, that is sin 0, sin 30, sin 45, sin 60 and sin 90. How we remember the values? Easily. Then I will give some calculations here. Look at here once. Trigonometric ratios column, and this is the column 0 degrees, and this is 30 degrees column, 45 degrees column, 60 degrees column and 90 degrees column. The basic angles are taken here. Take numbers from 0. Just I am explaining the proof of that. Some for easy remembering purpose. Just I given some calculations here. Take numbers from 0, that is 0, first one, second, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Initially I taken some values. Next, divide each number by 4. Maximum value is 4. So divide each value by 4, that is 0 by 4 and 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4 and 4 by 4. Next, reduce fractions. So reduce these fractions. That is 0 by 4 is 0, 1 by 4, so we cannot reduce it, 1 by 4 only, 2 by 4, 2 ones and 2 twos, that is 1 by 2, 3 by 4 we cannot reduce it, 4 by 4, 4 gets cancelled, remaining is 1. After reducing the fractions, apply square root. Root 0 is 0, that is root 0, root of 1 by 4, root of 1 by 2, root of 3 by 4 and root 1. Simplify the root here. Root 0 is 0. Root 1 by 4 is root of a by b form, that is root 1 by root 4, that is 1 by 2. And here it is square root 1 by square root 2, 1 by root 2, that is root 3 by 4, that is root 3 by root 4 is 2, that is root 3 by 2. Root 1 is 1. So these are the values of sine. These are the sine values. So from this step, you need to remember the trigonometric ratios, values, related values, that is 0 table it is, 0 column, sin 0, 0, sin 30, 1 by 2, sin 45, 1 by root 2, sin 60, 3 by 2, sin 90, 1. So this is the sine, these are the sine values. And next one, sine values, again I taken here, cos. If you are writing the values, sine values from right to left, so then you can get the values of cos here. that is 1 root 3 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, 0. Cos 0, 1. Cos 30, root 3 by 2. Cos 45, 1 by root 2. Cos 60, 1 by 2. And cos 90, 0. Next one, tan values. So what is the relation between tan in terms of sin and cos is sin by cos, sin theta by cos theta. Then you can divide the sin and cos values here. 0 by 1, 0. 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2. 2 gets cancelled, remaining is 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3. 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2. Total cancel, that is 1. Root 3 by 2 by 1 by 2. 2 gets cancelled, remaining is root 3. 1 by 0, so denominator never be 0, then it is not defined, that is equal to infinity. So these are the tan values. And next one, cosecant. Cosecant is nothing but the relation. You must remember that cosecant is the reciprocal of the sine values. Sine is sine 0, that is 1 by 0, infinity. 1 by 1 by 2, that is 2 by 1, that is 2. 1 by 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, that is root 2 by 1, that is root 2. 1 by root 3 by 2, that is 2 by root 3. And 1 by 1 is 1. That is the cosecant values, the reciprocal of sine. Next, secant values, reciprocal of cos. Cos values are 1. Cos 0, 1. So secant 0 is 1 by 1, 1. Root 3 by 2 reciprocal is 2 by 3. 1 by root 2 reciprocal is root 1. 1 by 2 reciprocal is 2. And 0 reciprocal is infinity. That is not defined. These are the secant values. Cot values. Cot is nothing but simply you can write in the tan values from right to left, then you can get the cot values. That is infinity. Next, root 3, 1 as it is, and 1 by root 3 and 0. Or else cot in terms of, you can write it as cot in terms of tan is 1 by 10 or cos by sin. If you simplify these values, then you can get the cot values. So students, this trigonometric table is very, very important. So for the calculation purpose, it is very useful. For practice it and kindly remember these values. Thank you students. Thank you very much.